It is another beautiful day for Kapampangan basketball as we bring you the continuing coverage of your 2023 to 2024 Delta Cup Inter-Municipalities and Cities basketball. Coming to you live inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the city of San Fernando, Pampanga, the home of Sinag Liga Asia's born 2001 inaugural season champions, the Pampanga Delta, as Andre Dungo of I Love San Simon trying to make a statement, being the mythical 5 of the recently held UAAP Juniors for UST Golden Tigers. At makakatapat niya dito, itong si Sam De Jesus and the rest of the Angeles City Red Warriors trying to continually dominant on this ball game at hand. I Love San Simon kontra Angeles City Red Warriors. Isang magandang hapon po sa inyo mga kabala na nakatutok sa kani-kanilang mga tahanan. Ang inyo pong lingkod, Penelope Wilhelmina, para po sa laban ng I Love San Simon at Angeles City Red Warriors, our last day para sa ating eliminations round. But of course, pwede po nating tutukan itong ating Pampanga at ating Delta Cup 2023 to 2024 sa ating Facebook at Pampanga PIO, at pwede nyo rin po i-subscribe at matutukan ang Delta Cup sa Sinag at sa YouTube channel ng Pampanga at Pampanga_PIO, at sa broadcast partner ng Delta Cup at Sinag Liga TV YouTube channel. But first and foremost, the most important parts, tingnan natin kung nasa na ba sa team standings itong ang maglalaban na dalawang koponan ngayon. As you can see here, Angeles City Red Warriors on the top seed of Bracket A with 8 wins and 1 losses. Samantalang itong San Simon, as we can see here, na the rest of the Angeles City Red Warriors bench. So, tingnan natin kung sino ang magiging dominant for today's ball game. Or coming up is the battle between I Love San Simon kontra Angeles City Red Warriors. And to introduce our starting lineup, and I'm turning you over to Ram Valid.
Good afternoon once again, Delta Cup fans, and we're going to you live inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga. This is the Delta Cup 2024 Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament. Presented to you by Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and powered by coverage partner Sinag Liga Asia. You can catch the live action also at Pampanga Public Information Office, every page, and YouTube channel. Our fourth game for today, it's the battle between I Love San Simon and your Angeles City Red Warriors. And now let's meet the starters for both teams. First, for your I Love San Simon. At forward number 7, John Santos. Also at forward number 31, Parley Dimla. Point guard number 19, Andre Dugo. Shooting guard number 13, Steven Angeles. And center number 18, Patrick Puntalard. Head coach for San Simon is Danny Torres. Assistant coaches Gian Vago, Ed Rem Dimla, Rich Bravo, Lawrence Mago, and Patrick Gambao. Your I Love San Simon. And now let's meet the starters for your Angeles City Red Warriors. Point guard number 6, Malik CJ2. Also at guard, number 11, Edward Timbol. Forward number 19, John De Guzman. Also at forward number 1, Jomery Naku. And center number 28, Paul Lagman. Head coach for Angeles City Red Warriors is John Ocampo. Assistant coaches Javier Cruz, Eric Malyari, and Earl Morales. Team manager Mr. Val Peña. Your Angeles City Red Warriors. Game official charge in action. Dennis Iscaros, John Lisigas, and Noel Vincero. This is your Delta Cup 2024 Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament.
For the starters of I Love San Simon, we have here Dungo, Angeles Santos, Dimla, and Punsalan. At para sa panig ng Angeles City Red Warriors, we have here Du, Timbol, Lagman, De Guzman, and Naku. This is the Penelope Wilhelmina at your service para sa laban ng I Love San Simon kontra Angeles City Red Warriors, our second to the last game of our eliminations round. As the first ball possession goes to San Simon, but there was a whistle after that 5 seconds of our ball game. Ang agang tawag para sa laban na to. And if you're here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center, ang lamig po sa loob ng BREN. Timbol. Balik dito kay Timbol ang bola. Oh, miss pass for Edward Timbol. But they were able to put it back on their side. 3-point shot, no good. Nakuha yun dito ni Patrick Punzalan. Dungo, a recently held Mythical 5 member of the UAAP Juniors for UST Golden Tigers. Baby Cubs, rather. Tiger Cubs. Andre Dungo, pinasa dito ang bola. Still no good, no basket. Out of bounds. Ball stays at the offensive side. Angeles to Dungo. Dungo for 3. Dungo gets it to go. First basket of the ball game goes in care of Andre Dungo. Timbol. Balik dito ang bola sa Angeles. Oh, good steal for Andre Dungo. Dungo against 3. Nakuha dito ni Timbol ang bola. Timbol on the drive? No. Pinasa niya yun dito. And that jumper is good for John De Guzman. Angeles ang nagbababa dito ng bola. Angeles pinasa kay Santos. Santos balik kay Dungo. Dungo for another 3. No good this time for Andre Dungo. Jumper. Still no good. Off to the left. Nakuha dito ni Timbol. Timbol for 3. It's no good. It's too strong for Edward Timbol. Dimla. Angeles to Dimla. What a play from Angeles to Dimla. Kitang-kita niya doon na libre. Itong si Parley Dimla, of course. Itong I Love San Simon is jam-packed by the players na nanggaling, of course, kay Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, former champions. Steven Angeles was part of the Born 2001 Cup champions of our Sinag Liga Asia inaugural season. Kasama niya dito si Parley Dimla. Parley Dimla. 7 minutes and 23 seconds remaining on our game clock. There is a whistle. Para dito kay Parley Dimla.
Foul on number 7. John Santos is first. First team foul,
Ball possession for Angeles City Red Warriors with 16 on the shot clock. What a dominant move there for Jo Marinaku. Dungo nagbababa dito para sa San Simon. Dungo papunta dito kay Santos. Santos to Dimla. Sorry, miss for Santos. Edward Timbol. That is short for Edward Timbol. Dungo. Where will he go to? Oh, what a beautiful move from Andre Dungo. Papunta kay Patrick Punzalan. Dungo is an all-around guy as well as for way back sa team niya dito kay Coach Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. And of course, a lucky Coach Danny Torres for I Love San Simon for having Andre Dungo. As I'm mentioning, Andre Dungo has been an all-around guy for head coach Governor Dennis Delta Pineda way back nung nandun pa siya, nung naglaro siya for Gov Delta, for Pampanga. Si Dagun sentrong matangkad. They have everything, both teams have everything they have to settle